Hi everyone, I hope you're all having an awesome day. I'm back today to share some blind boxes. I got this, which is so cool. I can't fit it all in. It's from Mart, and if you like the Labubus, I have shared one of those, I think on a reel on here. But yeah, my eldest son surprised me with this for my birthday, and yeah, I thought I'd just do a quick video. I have done some reels on them, like opening them, so if you want to see me actually open the boxes and see at first hand what's in them, then go and watch my reels. But I thought I'd do a quick, I know a lot of people don't do reels, they just watch YouTube videos, so I thought I'd do a video just showing what's in each one of them. So what I'm going to do is I won't talk over it. I'm just going to add some music and yeah, share what's in each boxes. So if you're interested, you can go and buy it. This is a set. I don't know where he got this from. Yeah, these are quite hard to get here in the UK. But if I find out, I'll try and leave in the description the website. So they're the Labubus, but the Disney ones. So yeah, so I'm just going to share each box and I'm going to add some music to it. As you may know, Chip and Dale are kind of my favourite out of these. Yeah, I do have a soft spot for Chip and Dale. Yeah, I just think they're so cute. I love their chubby cheeks, but I mean they're all really made well, and these are going to be great. I'm going to use these when we go to the Disney parks, and we will hang these on like our Disney bags while we're there. They're just a nice keychain. Yeah, really cute. Even Donald's really cute as well. Yeah, I know it's a bit of a different video, guys, but I thought I'd share these. Yeah, I hope you like it. If you do, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will catch you in my next video, guys. Have an awesome week. Take care. Bye.